My pretty drone just went like boof. It's gone. No footage, nothing. My God. Lucky. Today we are heading to Uluwatu. We're gonna have a nice beach holiday. The weather looks a little bit cloudy. What are you doing? I found some plastic to bite on. Okay, let's get some gear, drone in the bag. Wakker worden, jongens. Get ready. Get ready. Ow! Bowie. Come. So I think we are ready to go. Huh, guys? Let's do it.
Yay!
Kom Bob. Helm op. Kom maar. Goed zo. Ben je er klaar voor? Hoppa. You're going to the braai, papagaatjes. Nice. Naar Uncle Laurens en Tante Landy. And your best friend Boykie. I think they're still asleep.
Yeah.
What's up, bro? Oh, Bowie's so excited! Oh! You're gonna be happy with your new parents?
This nice outfit is this. We're gonna give him a lot of treats and he's gonna forget his parents.
This is our dog now.
Oh, no. Be nice. Thanks, man. Cheers, bro. Thanks.
Fun time in Uluwatu. Thank you for being
Okay, let's go, Carly, let's go. So, Bowie is with his guest parents. So we can start the journey. Let's do it. Yes, perfect. We were there in an hour. Yay, the ocean. We made it. Oh, look, nice waves.
Oh, they're beautiful. Oh, so nice.
Hello. So we're here at Suka. All meals are 50k, which is about 3 euros, $4.
Fluffy pancakes.
Fluffy pancakes.
With banana brulee.
Banana brulee.
And whipped cream based pancake.
Cappuccino. Brekkie barbecue burger. Lekker. Wow. Very sweet. 200k, 12 euros, $15 are at Binging Beach.
Yay, now we need to walk down all the stairs.
So you need to go down these alleys. This is the cable management here in Bali. I think my old colleagues would be very impressed with this. And there's a small sign that says to the beach. Get this backpack out of the way. Oh, I can smell the ocean. There's the first stairs. Oh, so nice. Surf season is actually starting now. Oh, look at the waves. We're gonna tan. We're gonna look like locals in a few hours. Or maybe we're gonna look like lobster. The waves look so pretty. Wow. Now we enter the beach. Nice. Oh my god, it's hot. He's eating a crab. Look. Oh! Catch the crab. Crazy. So your head is in the shade and body is in the sun. We have been sunbathing for I think about an hour now.
Factor 50 for sunscreen.
Oh, yeah.
Still freaking painful.
It is crazy hot. Like, I need to go to this nice blue water. Carly, are you coming? Woo! 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 Find your shelf.
That's a huge one. Yeah.
Oh, might be the best beach in Bali. Filming the surfers. My pretty drone is gone. I don't know what just happened, man. Just went like boom, 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 boom. There in the ocean, no footage, nothing. Very upset. My new drone. Fuck. I was flying in sports mode over there. So apparently sensor shut down. Second flight with this drone. It's somewhere there. The surfers there try to rescue it. They try to dive, but it's too deep. It's too mercury. So yeah, I didn't see it anymore. No more drone shots from now on. I cooled down a bit. So yeah, life goes on. Also without a drone. So we decided to call it a day for now. I think we are half burned. See if we can get a nice drink, maybe a nice beer. Happy hour's good. Look at this place.
So good here.
Yeah.
Oh, ginger margarita.
Ooh. Yeah, look. So we made it back up. We are definitely not in shape, but we made it. Now we're going to the bike. Maybe jump in the pool. So we made it back to our little cottage here. The Mavic Air it's called. Now we're gonna have a dip in the pool. Wash off all the salt. Look at this pool. Is it cold? Oh. Yeah. Okay. The good life.
And we also bought this huge bracelet from the ladies on the beach.
From the beach to the pool.
They need the money.
They need the money. We need the bracelet. So we decided to have something nice because like we are super annoyed with the
Everything
drone.
goes wrong. Like all my 3 eyeshadows, they broke in 1,000 pieces, so I don't have.
Our eyeshadows they broke, so that's
And then my
serious.
towel went into the ocean on today.
It's just not our day. We should have known by then that this was not the day, but yeah. So now we're at La Braca, in this place. We need to fill this empty hole. What is it? Some pasta, olive oil with some basilicum, I think, and some bread. Steak, potatoes, spinach, Parmesan cheese sauce.
The sauce is the best thing.
So good. So good. Carly, do you need some extra salt? She's saying I'm like salty, so that's why. $2, 180 euros. So that's like €7 for a steak. Let's say $9. It's pretty awesome. So I feel a lot better now after the empty hole is filled. See, it's all gone.
Very good.
You're happy now?
A little bit, yes.
I think she might need another steak to
I
be
think
happy
I
again.
might need some chocolate.
She needs a dessert.
We're now going home without our beloved drone.
But we're going to our beloved dog, so he's gonna cheer us up.
Our little sunshine dog.
It's all fine. We are good. We're safe. We're healthy. So it's just a drone. But yeah, it is a drone.
It still hurts.
It still hurts. So guys, before we pick up Bowie, we actually decided to go
For a massage.
take a massage after this stressful
And I'm
days.
hurt.
Jojoba. For me also.
It's fine for you.
Yeah, it's perfect. Yeah, you deserve this. Sort of. Massage time. Bye guys. See you in the next one. Hopefully Carly will buy me a new drone. She loves me so much.
Not anymore.